Hello, everyone. Christmas is coming very near, and today I am going to show you how to draw a Christmas tree. So let's get into it. Our plan to draw that Christmas tree is to first draw the trunk, then draw the leaves, then draw the decorations randomly, and then draw the star at the top, and then we have a Christmas tree. We 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 configure we configure our modules, which will be turtle and random. As as we need turtle to draw the tree, and we need random to make the decorations random. And then we draw a trunk, which will and we are going to do this by creating a turtle called trunk equals turtle.pen dot color brown, because a trunk of a tree has a brown color. Trunk dot left 90, so that the trunk is going to be facing downwards. Trunk dot 21. I say 21 because I'm a perfectionist, and I just don't want any imperfections in a trunk. Trunk. Sorry, I was making this so that it's actually facing upwards, north, and dot and 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 we have a trunk. Now we need to draw the leaves of a tree. Uh, Tree leaves drawing. So that's number one of four steps done. Draw the trunk. Now we need to draw the tree. We are going to draw the tree by creating three triangles, and and we are going to use three turtles to draw three triangles. Uh, we'll have a list of turtles called trees. I know it should be called leaves, but we'll call it trees. Our throwaway variable would be zero. And for the tree in trees, for every tree that there is, tree.speed zero, so that it won't take forever. The configuration won't take forever, and so that tree color leaves, so that the leaves agree for trees, and 90, so that they all face upwards and not downwards, or in the initial position they face to the right, east. Tree dot shape triangle, basically, so that they will look like a regular Christmas tree. Shape size, so that we can actually see the shape and it's not too small. It's going to be 10 minus the throwaway times 3, so that there will be 10, 7, and 4. Tree dot forward 70 plus throwaway times throwaway, so that they won't all just appear in a bunch. Uh, Throwaway plus equals 1, or else it will just be the same tree. And there we go. We have a Christmas tree. And theoretically, I could actually say that I could just stop this video right now and I would say goodbye here. But no, we haven't completed yet. This is just any old tree. We could just make we could be a random any tree. So we will be, and for it to become a Christmas tree, we need to add some decorations and a star at the top. So now we need to do decorations. So we now need to decorate the tree so that it looks like one. Zero. Okay, now we've done here. We we are going to have 15 decorations. Decoration one, Uh-oh. A, so that we don't run out of characters. No. And then we finally created 15 turtles, 15 decorations that are going to be done. Decorations equals uh decor uh, decoration 0, decoration 1, decoration 2, uh, uh, I'm not going to bore the audience like that. I'm just going to instead do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. E, E, E. Almost done. Don't worry. Here we go. 5, 4, no, 4, 3. Oh, we have one too many. Great. That's the last thing that we want. Now that that thing is gone, we are going to do colors equals. We need random colors for our decorations because they can appear anywhere randomly in our tree. So it's going to be nope, red, yellow, uh, light blue, orange, so that it would appear colourful. I say lime because, or else it will just look like green in the, and then and then you won't be able to see it behind the Christmas tree. Back to work for decorations. Our boring long list of decorations. Deco.speed 0, so that it won't take forever for the decorations to appear. Deco.up, so that there won't be any lines drawn that go from the middle towards the places of the decorations. Uh, color random.choice, so that the randomness is going to be apparent color, so that they could be random colors. Uh, so that they look like baubles. That's what they are. Because decorations of Christmas trees are usually baubles. Random minus 50, 50. So that's what the x coordinate of the decorations are going to be. This will go to be the y coordinations. Random minus 50, 100. There we go. That's what we will. That's what the coordinates of our decorations are going to be. And 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 there we go. You have decorations. Now the last thing in our plan to finish the tree is to have a star at the top. Star created at the top of the tree. You can have it as an angel if you want, but a star would be simpler. Star 1 equals turtle.pen. Star 2 equals turtle.pen. Basically, why am I having two stars? Because my star is going to be two triangles. Because in Python turtle graphics, there's no shape that's going to there's no shape that's called star. So I just going to have to create a star using two triangles. N equals two equilateral triangles that face opposite ends. Basically, for star is stars, star star speed 0, basically. So this is going to be a variable that's going to turn -1 after the next iteration. So, uh, basically, color yellow so that it looks like a star or and not some weird thing. I know stars are. I know stars are really a huge ball of flaming gas. Uh, uh, and it's actually a sphere, but we are going to depict our star here as a triangle as pointed, and there we go. That's how to code a Christmas tree within 70 lines. So, and that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.